Welcome students. We learnt about elimination method. You know what is meaning of elimination? Equating coefficients, then either addition or subtraction, then finding variable. Yes or no? Now in the same way, there are again different types of examples. That is reducible expressions. Okay. First we did by equating coefficients. Right? Now we will see reducible form of equations. We just reduce them into general form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. Now I am taking example of the type where reducible method is used to express into the by reducing the equation into the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. I am taking one example, say 6 upon x plus y. Solve 6 upon x plus y plus 7 upon x minus y. Here it is minus 7 equal to 3. Okay. And 1 upon 2x plus y plus minus 1 upon 3x minus y. Minus 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 0. See, 6 upon x plus y minus 7 upon x minus y equal to 3. 1 upon 2 bracket x plus y minus 1 upon 3 bracket x minus y equal to 0. These are not in standard form of a1x plus b1y plus c equal to 0. Now we will convert them into. So that is to be reduced, to be changed. Now look here children. In first term, it is 1 upon x plus y. It is 1 upon x plus y. Yes or no? So here also 1 upon x minus y, 1 upon x minus y. So we will assume let 1 upon x plus y equal to, we will take some other letter besides xy. Say u, right? And 1 upon x minus y equal to v. We are changing into standard form. Okay. Now therefore we what? See 6. So 1 upon x plus y means, see 6 means 6 into 1 upon x plus y. So this is becoming your u minus 7 v equal to 3. Yes or no? Similarly, here 1 upon x plus y is u upon 2 minus v upon 3 equal to 0. Got it? Now we are again, now we are this denominator, we can change. Yes or no? So I am rewriting this minus 7v equal to 3. Here HCM is 6. Okay. HCM of 2, 3, 1 is 6. So I am multiplying this by 3. Here by 2. Here by 6. So 3u minus 2v equal to 6 into 0, 0. Now I got equations of the form a1x plus ab1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Yes or no? Since we reduce these examples in this format which we practiced before this. Okay. Now we will solve by equating coefficients. Understood reducible method? Examples of this type are to be reduced by assumption into this form. We know. Right? Now very simple. We will equate coefficients. See, here it is 6, 3. I will make both 6. So I have to multiply this by 2 and this by 1. Okay. So I am making a coefficient of u equal. So we say 6u minus 7v equal to 3. Now 6u minus 4v equal to 0. Change the sign. I told you both are having same sign, we subtract. Change sign, cancel. Minus 7 plus 4 minus 3 v equal to 3. So v equal to minus 1. Got it? Okay. Now put value of v in union of these two. Right? Put value of v in union of these two. Yes or no? See, I am getting now. See, tell me which should I take, first or second? I am taking second. 3u minus 2v equal to 0. So 3u equal to minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, we got, see now, we got 3u equal to minus 2, u equal to minus 2 upon 3. See, value of u and v you got, and you have assumed what is u, what is v. Now put these values here, and then see you will get expressions in x and y. So this work is increasing now. Look. Therefore, now see 1 upon x plus y. Therefore, 1 upon x plus y equal to minus 2 upon 3. Now I am taking cross multiplication. T1 is 3. Minus 2 into x plus y. Minus 2 into x plus y. Cross multiplication. Okay. 3 equal to minus 2x minus 2y. And now I am taking this v. V is what? 1 upon x minus y equal to minus 1. So we are taking cross multiplication. Remember it. Okay. See. X minus y will come this side. So minus 1 into this 1 equal to minus bracket x minus 1. So I got 1 equal to minus x plus 1. I got this second. Now I will solve these two. Therefore, see students, all of you, in these equations, our work is increasing. First, reduce into standard form, get the value of the assumed variables, replace these variables by assumption. Okay, now get into the equations in the form of this. Now, see here, coefficient is minus 1, here minus 2. So I have to make coefficient equal. I will write below each other properly. Minus 2x, right? Minus 2y equal to 3. Here minus x plus y equal to 1. Now what to do? Open properly and check. Here is 2, here is 1. Here it is 2, here it is 1. So make two coefficients equal. And multiplying this by 2, I want to convert, make the equation of both 2. I will multiply here by 2, here by 1. I got minus 2x minus 2y equal to 3, minus 2x plus 2y equal to 2. Now I will see, add or subtract. Here both are possible. See, here it is minus 2 plus 3. If I add, we will get cancelled. Yes or no? Here it both are negative. If I subtract, this 2x will get cancelled. It is up to us. I am adding that. See, so this cancel. Minus 2 minus 4. Got it? Students, all of you. Minus 2 minus 4. X equal to 5. So x equal to 5 upon minus 4 means minus 5 upon 4. Now put the value of x in either this or this. I am taking this. See, 1 equal to minus x plus 1. Put value of x minus plus 5 upon 4 plus 1. So bring this constant this side. 1 minus 5 upon 4 equal to 1. Here is in 4 ones 4 minus 5 upon 1. That is 4 equal to 1. Now 4 minus 5 minus 1 upon 4. Therefore we got minus 1 upon 4 equal to 1. We got value of 4. Understood? Yes or no? Is you understood now? See, in reducible form of this type, our work is increasing. First, reduce into standard form, find the value of u and v, then replace this u and v in terms of like this, then again solve. So we are solving 2 times. First eliminating u, getting v, getting u, replacing u and v, again elimination if required. This is a little bit double work is required. Got it? Yes. Now see, I'm taking one more example of this type. Elimination after reduction. So I am taking one example. Students, all of you, please you try your best if you can. Otherwise, I am solving. Okay, 2 upon x plus 3 upon y equal to 9 upon xy. And 4 upon x plus 9 upon y equal to 21 upon xy. See now, it's little bit different type example. I will bring this xy this side. I will bring this xy this side. Cross multiplication now. Okay, then see, either x will get cancelled or y will cancel. I'm taking, again we are reducing to make standard form. Okay, now see, I'm taking now see cross multiplication directly. Xy bracket 2 upon xy plus 3 upon y equal to 9. Xy bracket 4 upon x plus 9 upon y equal to 21. Yes or no? We did cross multiply this side. We brought this side, cross multiplication. Right? Now we are opening this bracket. So we got x cancel y, 2y plus y cancel 3x. Opening bracket, xy into 2 upon x. No. Xy into 3 upon y, 3x equal to 9. Here, xy into 4 upon x. 4 upon is this 4y. Xy into 9 upon y plus 9x equal to 21. Here we reduce by cross multiplication. Sometimes we get xy also like this. Okay. Now see, we will see now coefficients are equal or not. If not equal, equal coefficients. So I will make both coefficients 4. So I multiply this by 2 and this by 1. I'm getting it now. 2 to the 4y plus 6x equal to 18. Okay, and here 4y plus 9x equal to 21. Now subtract. See, both are positive, subtract. Cancel. Minus 3x equal to minus 3. So x equal to 1. Now put x equal to 1 in either first or second. So I am taking first 2y plus 3x equal to 9. Put x equal to 1. So 2y plus 3 equal to 9. So 2y equal to 6. So y equal to 3. See, this is the second type of example in reducible. We reduced in these forms. By seeing this xy, we did cross multiplication. Complete cross multiply this. We want this. Okay, remember this children. Now I am taking first type of example we solved. Yes, that is, please write down. I am writing here 3 upon x plus y. Okay, we will take second example in second video. All right. Okay.